In this video, I'm going to show you how to add some videos to your YouTube playlist. So firstly, sign in your YouTube channel account, then click on playlist. Any tab will open. Now select any playlist which you want to, where you want to add some videos like this playlist. Click on edit playlist. Now click on these three dots and click on add videos. Here are some options. You can add videos by YouTube search, URL and your YouTube videos. So select as your choice and requirement. After that, click on add videos. That's it. You can short videos as date added, new, old, most popular, date published and date published old. So you can set as your choice. I will select most popular. So all popular video will be first and after another videos. That's it. So by this easy and quick method, we can add some videos to your YouTube channel playlist. Thanks for watching.